top 5 upcoming games on Solana. Hey there guys, and welcome to the crypto world. Before we start with the video, let us tell you about today's sponsor, Gate.io. Now, for those of you who don't know Gate.io, Gate.io is a platform to which protects your funds with both centralized and decentralized methods. It is also the first exchange to invest millions in security and law funds to add extra protection for the users. Using Gate.io, you'll be able to trade, buy, earn, and stay up to date with everything around crypto. We will leave a link in the description for you. With that being said, please do remember that this video is not a financial advice, so before investing any money, please do your own research. And now to the video. Today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 5 games on Solana. Did you know that crypto gaming is one of the top 6 industries with the highest average return of ICOs, IEOs, and IDOs, according to CryptoRank? However, behind DeFi, crypto gaming has the second highest number of initiatives. More initiatives equals more uncertainty, which is especially true for investors. How will they know which blockchain will host the next gaming jewel and, more crucially, which blockchain it will be on? We've identified the top 5 Solana games for this post, and they're currently available at substantial discounts, of course, on the crypto markets. What is the significance of Solana? The reason behind this is Web3 gaming has piqued the eye of the blockchain investors in recent months, with Solana in particular attracting attention due to its low transaction fees and quick transaction speeds. So, what are the top 5 games we're looking forward to playing? What do they have to offer in terms of potential, and how can you get your hand on them? Number 1. CryoWar, or CWAR. CryoWar is first on our list, and it's ranked first. Its token is CWAR, and it has attracted a lot of investor and gamer interest since its IDO in October 2021. But right now, CWAR is trading near an all-time low of just $1.06. Take what you will from that, but this project appears to be on a big discount, in our opinion. CryoWar's website is cryowar.com. That raises the question of whether now is a good moment to start learning CWAR, and if so, why? CryoWar is a real-time multiplayer PvP arena NFT game developed with the Unreal Engine, which is extremely uncommon in the blockchain realm at the moment. The greatest players are constantly competing for resources, territories, and other advantages, and as you may know, if you're familiar with the game, world dominance. CryoWar is a hybrid of a typical PvP gaming experience and blockchain best practices, such as DAO voting, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization voting, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, and DeFi, decentralized financing. CryoWar was successfully launched in the Solanium Launchpad, with a hard cap of 140,000 USDC and a record-breaking region of interest of 224 times. Number 2. SolChix. We're on to number 2, which is another project we've discussed before, SolChix, and we're moving forward quickly. This is a number 2 on our list. It IDO its token check when the market was about to correct, and I still managed to record a 13 times all-time high region of interest, which isn't bad, but given what we're seeing now, don't you think this game has even more solid potential? Website SolChix.io. SolChix is building the most advanced fantasy NFT game environment on the Solana blockchain. The charming is crucial to the game. SolChix NFT trinkets, as they're known, are avatars for gamers in the unique gaming metaverse. Of course, it's also linked to the metaverse. Perhaps most crucially, the play-to-earn feature is quite tempting in our opinion. In this new disruptive gaming paradigm, players will be compensated to play, and you can earn ChIC tokens as well as in-game goodies. SolChix is envisioned as one of the most breakthrough NFT game ecosystem with a number of fascinating features in a fully integrated gaming metaverse. Breeding, farming, occupations, a fully fledged marketplace, gangs, lands, and weaponry will all be added to SolChix in the near future. Number 3. Project Seed, or Shill. Moving on to the third spot on our list, we'll take a look at Project Seed. For obvious reasons, it's there. If you're familiar with this in any way, you'll recognize some of them. Project Seed's website can be found at projectseed.io. Let's start with Shill, the native token. In early November, this had a 752 times multiple in its IDO. Yes, 752 times. A GameFi metaverse ecosystem developed by a AAA game studio that focus on mobile blockchain gaming. This is the situation. Project Seed wants to elevate the mobile gaming business to a whole new level by employing blockchain technology and bringing play to earn. What they're doing is something we really like. We loved it because it's an exciting action role-playing game or RPG aspect. It provides gaming studios with a diverse range of creative artists, designers, and game developers. Another feature is NFTs, which are transferable NFTs that may be used to purchase in-game items including Zeds, weapons, armor, and accessories. Then there's GameFi, which is a feature. You can easily enter and exit the gaming program as well as access the NFT marketplace, which includes P2P and renting options. Let's talk about the NFT marketplace. Project Seed is introducing NFTs into its metaverse in order to provide tamper-proof ownership to item holders, which comes in two flavors. Second, the in-game marketplace will be the go-to spot for users who want to buy, sell, rent, or even lend any NFT without having to leave the game. And third, the web-based marketplace will be the go-to spot for users who want to buy, sell, rent, or even lend any NFT without having to leave the game. Off-game marketplaces will be the go-to site for seasoned users who want to buy, sell, rent, or lend any NFT when they're not in the game or with a larger screen size for simpler navigation and browsing while they're not in the game. Number 4. Aurori. We'll look at Aurori, which is number 4 on our list. Although its IDO did not perform as well as some of us had hoped, this free-to-play and play-to-earn game still has a long path ahead of it, and we see a lot of potential. Here's how it works. Aurori.io is the URL for the website. Aurori is a free-to-play desktop game in which players are invited to explore a wide and diverse world. You can journey across the worlds of antiques and cryptos to a variety of different regions and biomes where you'll meet a variety of NPCs and NFTs. That's a Japanese role-playing game in this enthralling JRPG. These mythical creatures, which may be kidnapped or trapped, will join you in a variety of interesting gaming scenarios. Auri is a multi-utility ecosystem money that may be obtained through participation in both PvE and PvP game types, as well as staking. For the time being, let's talk about staking. To begin, any Auri token holder can stake their tokens. You can purchase Auri tokens on any of the venues we mentioned above. However, in order to cover the costs, you'll need some SOL in your wallet. Then, you must connect the wallet to the staking platform. While the flexible pool has a 33% APR, the locked pool has a 70% APR, which is quite amazing. Number 5. Genopets. Gene and Kai. Finally, we'll look at the Genopets, which is number 5 on our list today. The first move in the world to earn the NFT game. Genopets incentivizes you to keep your mind and body in shape. That is at least the plan. www.genopets.me is the website for this game. Wearable health equipment can help you stay active, and the Genopet is your NFT spirit animal that has been encoded with information about your personality and fitness. Genopets is more than simply a breeding game. It's also an evolution game, which means you may alter your pet's appearance, talents, and moveset by taking in-game and real-world acts, gaining KI tokens along the way. Let's have a look at some Genopet token applications. Genopet is propelled by two tokens system. Gene and Kai, for example, support multi-currency Solana assets. Gene coins, which are native and fungible, will control and sustain Genopets, and they will be utilized as both utility and governance tokens. You'll get a VIP access. Staking and having Gene tokens provides you first dibs on upcoming game content release. By engaging in a decentralized rewards pool, users will be able to earn in-game cash, Kai. So that is all of the top 5 upcoming games in Solana. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on to the next video. Until then, take care.